What's up, guys? Garrett from PartsVu today. Gonna talk about and show you guys some tips for launching a bass boat by yourself. Come along. So one thing I like to stage here, I don't want to get right in front of the ramp just because I don't want to clog it up. So I'll park off to the side. I'll start getting the boat ready. First, I'm gonna start at the back here. Most of you guys, you're gonna have your boat strapped to the trailer. So you definitely want to make sure those are off before you get in the water. Make sure you get both sides. And then if you have any transom savers or steering locks, like I have here. So here's my transom saver. Trim up, get that out of the way. I have steering locks on my boat, so I'm gonna take those off so I'm able to steer while I'm on the water. And then of course, the most important part is the plug in the boat. So I have a flow right plug system. I don't have to get under there and screw it in. I just gotta make sure that switch is on, my plug is in, I'm not gonna fill up with water. And then I'll turn on my batteries. Make sure my engine will work. I got a couple battery switches back here. Depending on how your boat's set up, you might have one, you might have none, you might have four. Make sure all your batteries are turned on before you get in the water. And then that's about it for the pre-check. So I'm gonna leave the front of my boat strapped. No matter how steep the ramp is, I like to keep it strapped just because I've seen the horror stories. I've seen the boat slide off the trailer. You might hit a pothole and the boat might bunk up. And when you're by yourself, I like keeping it strapped so then the boat doesn't float away. So I'm gonna leave it strapped up here until I'm in the water. And we're gonna pull forward and back it down. All right, guys, so I know on my trailer how far to back it in. You want to back in until your boat just starts to float. That's what we have here. You can feel the boat's just starting to float off the trailer. Now I'll go to the front. I'll unhook the front. Obviously, if you're with a buddy, you know it's easy for them to hold the ropes for you and just drift the boat off. But since we're by ourselves, we'll do it this way. Unhook the front and just slowly push it off the trailer. Now, if you have shallow water anchors, like they're Minn Kota Raptors, you can just put those down if it's shallow enough where they can hold. Otherwise, just get a little dock line. And since I'm in a situation like this, where this dock is short, my boat's gonna kind of flail around a little bit in the wind. So I'll tie up to it, and I will put my anchors down in the back as well. That way this thing is secured. I have the nose tied up, it's not gonna drift off the dock. Then the back of my boat's not gonna be all over the place if it is windy for some reason. All right, guys, back on the dock. Now the fun part, untie the boat, pick up the shallow water anchors, let's go fishing. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching this video. Here at PartsVu, we are very passionate about the boating lifestyle. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out PartsVu.com for all your boating needs. We'll catch you next time.